What is the fastest animal ever? Let's compare them today. This is a turtle with a speed of 0.6 miles per hour. Humans run at 7.5 miles per hour. This is a crocodile with a speed of 11 miles per hour. This is the terrifying Tyrannosaurus Rex with a speed of 12 miles per hour. This is a Apatosaurus with a speed of 16 miles per hour. This is a hippopotamus with a speed of 19 miles per hour. This is a dog with a speed of 22 miles per hour. This is a rabbit with a speed of 24 miles per hour. A waddling elephant has a speed of 25 miles per hour. This is a Parasaurolophus with a speed of 27 miles per hour. This is a bear with a speed of 28 miles per hour. This is a rhinoceros with a speed of 31 miles per hour. A horse's speed is 34 miles per hour. This is a giraffe with a speed of 35 miles per hour. This is a zebra with a speed of 37 miles per hour. This is a desert camel with a speed of 40 miles per hour. This is an oviraptor with a speed of 40 miles per hour. This is a gallimimus with a speed of 42 miles per hour. This is a lion with a speed of 43 miles per hour. This is a springbok